Hello and welcome to another video. This is Mohammed Bakri from Community of Babel, and today we are going to study the demonstrative pronouns. Okay, demonstrative pronouns are used to point at something. Okay, and in Arabic language we have two types of demonstrative pronouns. The first type is for things that are nearby. Okay, that are near you in your place. So for example, the first one is هذا. هذا here the dal is pronounced like the th in English, in the air, like the air. The هذا is to point at something masculine, okay, singular masculine. So هذا الرجل, something or someone, of course. So هذا الرجل, this man. رجل means man. هذا الرجل. And please note the alif and lam after هذا. If you say هذا or هذه, which is the next one, or any demonstrative pronoun, the word that comes after the demonstrative pronoun should be definite, should have alif and lam. The next one is هذه. هذه is to point at something or a person, feminine, singular feminine. هذه البنت, this girl. هذه البنت. The next one is هذان. هذان is dual. It's used if you're talking about two persons or two objects. هذان الرجلان, those two men. هذان الرجلان. The next one is هاتان, is the same as هذان but used for feminine. Okay, so هاتان الشجرتان. شجرة means a tree. Tree is feminine in Arabic. So هاتان الشجرتان, those two trees. The last one is هؤلاء. This is used to point at plural things or persons. So here هؤلاء الرجال, هؤلاء النساء. It doesn't matter if you're pointing at a group of feminine or masculine things. It doesn't matter. We use the same demonstrative pronoun. هؤلاء الرجال, those men. هؤلاء النساء, those women. Okay, I know it's a little bit difficult because we have two hamzas here. It's pronounced هؤلاء. The second type is used to point at something a little bit far away. Okay, so ذلك الكتاب, that book. So the difference between هذا الكتاب and ذلك الكتاب is هذا الكتاب means this book, and ذلك الكتاب, that book. Okay, it's a little bit far away. So ذلك الكتاب. Again, the noun, the word after ذلك, after the demonstrative pronoun, is definite, has alif and lam. تلك, used for feminine, singular feminine. So تلك الشجرة, that tree. تلك الشجرة. And the last one is أولئك. أولئك, it's a little bit difficult. أولئك. أولئك is used for the plural, and it doesn't matter if this plural is masculine or feminine. أولئك الرجال. رجال means men. These men. أولئك الرجال, these men. أولئك النساء. نساء means women. أولئك النساء, these women. So these are the demonstrative pronouns, and I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like our videos, you can subscribe to our channel and you can visit our website for more lessons. See you in future lessons.